Adding a bank account in Google Pay is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can add the bank account in your Google Pay. So for that, you have to be at your browser, and at your browser, you have to go to Google and type in this pay.google.com/about. What it will do is it will take you to this page. Now here you need to log into your account first if you are not logged in. After logging into your account, the steps are pretty simple. You just have to click on this setup a payment method. Now in this case, they will want me to add my payment methods. Now here I just have to click on this manage payment methods, and if I click on that, I will be taken to the new page. Now here I have to verify my account first. After verification, you will simply be able to see an option for adding what type of payment method you want to add. So you just need to add your credit card or MasterCard, or you can directly add the bank account as well. I would suggest you guys use the credit or debit card, just because those methods are more safer and more reliable, just because you can simply block them whenever or however you guys want, and you guys can also set the limit as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can set up or add the payment methods in Google Pay. Hope you guys find this video helpful.